So I really enjoy drawing upside down. I'm doing this for many years now, almost 15 years. So in this video I'm going to tell you the benefits of drawing upside down and why drawing upside down can be a really important exercise and how this approach can benefit your own drawing skills. Drawing upside down can be a powerful and important technique for artists on all levels. Whether you're a beginner or advanced artist, you can definitely learn a lot from it. I'm going to share 4 benefits you can experience when you draw upside down. Number 1, you see your art with a fresh perspective. Staring at your work for too long can make your brain a little bit lazy, especially after hours of drawing and looking at it. By turning your drawing upside down or using a mirror, you'll see your artwork in a brand new light. It's like almost seeing it for the first time again. It can be really important and helpful. A fresh perspective can help you to notice new things and slight mistakes in your drawings. You can see shapes or proportions that can be slightly off that you might have overlooked before because you looked at it for too long. Each time you're turning your artwork upside down, you can see it from a totally new and fresh perspective. So number 2, increase creativity and problem solving. If you try to draw upside down, you are able to approach your art in a more creative way. Whether you use a reference picture or draw from your imagination, it will encourage you to think outside the box and do things a bit more different than what you already know and learned. Normally, our left brain dominates with logical and analytical thinking, but by drawing upside down, it activates your right brain, which is associated with creativity. So this way you can be really creative in your art or find your own creative ways and solutions to get a better end result. So number 3, you improve your observation skills. When you are flipping your drawing upside down or sideways and you work with a reference picture that you also turn upside down, you perceive it in a completely other perspective. Normally our brains are wired to see things as a whole, which is great for quickly understanding and recognizing the world around us, but not so ideal for detailed realistic drawings. So when you draw upside down, you focus only on what you see. You are now looking at something unfamiliar for your brain, and you are better to focus on the details and the lines and the shapes and the shadows. It becomes abstract shapes rather than recognizable shapes. You are able to see and then draw things as they truly are. You pay closer attention to details that you might have missed otherwise. You'll have a better focus and observation skills, so you're able to get a more realistic result. And number 4, my favorite one, you challenge yourself as an artist. As an artist, it can be really important to keep challenging yourself. It's easy for artists to fall into habits and use the same techniques over and over again because it's most comfortable that way. But sometimes it can help a lot when you step out of your comfort zone and try new things. If you explore a wide range of things and learn from the process, it allows you to eventually find your own unique artistic style and to express yourself through art in your own unique and creative way. You just have to enjoy the process and you can take it step by step. When you turn your artworks upside down, you make it more difficult and harder, but you learn from it in a very different and effective way. So you can start by just coloring in your drawing upside down, and then you can make it a bit more difficult for yourself each time. So to summarize it, I think you will learn a lot from it. It challenges you in many ways, and this technique can really help you to improve your drawing skills. You are able to get better in drawing in general, and it can improve your future artworks. So let me know if you have tried this exercise too and what you think about it. I think sometimes something simple like turning your artworks upside down can make a huge difference. So I wish you good luck and I will see you next time.